Welcome to the catalogue of the global challenges. The global challenges of modern society require a multidisciplinary approach or integrated approach, where you have the different aspects linked to technology as well as social sciences and humanities. The need to have these two areas interface to solve our problems led us to have a series of lessons aimed at dealing not so much with individual problems, but developing an awareness and an ability of dialogue so as to interact both between teachers or professors, lecturers, expert in technological sciences, with those teaching humanities. In particular, we will focus on 6 major topics, which you can see illustrated here. These are the challenges of our modern society. For each and every one of these, we have 4 different multidisciplinary courses where we will have a modern, innovative type of teaching where the role of the student is very active. In particular, the topics which we chose to start with our project are climate, digital, energy, mobility, health, technology, and humanity. The teaching will be organized along 2 different areas. A first introductory module or lesson or lessons which is shared by both areas that will frame the topic of interaction amongst different areas of knowledge, and then more specific modules where we will be talking about the topic that you will have selected or the models that are available. So you have some on sustainable development goals that will outline what the United Nations has said to solve or has proposed to solve the major problems that we have. This will then follow with a series of lessons on the interaction between and among disciplines. Here we have real case studies where the interaction between the experts of technologies and the experts and scholars of humanities has made it possible to find solutions to big problems for our society. This series of recorded lessons will be followed by an interactive webinar where we will have the lessons that have been presented. It's very important to attend these interactive webinars. The introductory module will then be completed with a specific contribution for each of the topic and considered as an introduction to each of the topic. So there will be an introduction to frame the general knowledge that we have now and also the problems that have been discussed in relation to the 6 topics. Lastly, we will be moving to the specific modules. These have been conceived so as to use the techniques of modern teaching to the best, that is to say, having a very strong interaction between students and lecturers, so that the students may develop an awareness of knowledge sharing, interacting, as I said before, with lecturers expert in technologies on the one hand and humanities of the other. And then, following the lecture, there will be a large section devoted to practical skills and group activities where you will be able to experiment and try out the need for dialogue and interaction amongst knowledge so as to develop solutions and solve problems. So I wish you all the best for the rest of the semester. Goodbye.
Arrivederci.